በገበያ ቀን ብዙ እናቶች ነው የሚመጡት ከመቶ እናቶች በላይ ነው የሚመጡት እና በዙ እስከ 12 ሰዓት ሰራን ስንሰራ ቆየን ምሳም ሳንበላ። ስሜ ቆንጂት ታደሰ እባላለሁ እዚሁ ሎንሶ ከጤና ጣቢያ ውስጥ ሚድዋይፈሪ ነኝ።
For women in Ethiopia, especially those in remote rural areas, safe childbirth can be a matter of life and death. Market Day is a vital lifeline, bringing communities and services together, making it an essential opportunity for healthcare. Konjit knows this reality intimately. She grew up seeing the struggles and the profound lack of access to proper medical care firsthand.
ይመኝ ነበርና ያው ትምህርቴን እስከ 12 ተምሬ ሲጨርስ
Dr. Catherine Hamlin dedicated her life to the women of Ethiopia, firmly believing that midwives were the key to ending obstetric fistula. She once said, "To be able to train dedicated young doctors and midwives is marvellous. It gives me confidence that the eradication of obstetric fistula can be achieved."
የማየን ያገኘዋት ፈረስት ፕራክቲስ ሀምሊን ፊስቱላ ሆስፒታል ፕራክቲስ ልንሰራ እና እሷን ካገኘዋት በጣም እኔ ራሴ ለወደፊት እንደሷ መሆን ተመኝቻለሁ።
Midwives, like Konjit, are trained by Hamlin Fistula Ethiopia in a rigorous 4-year Bachelor of Science degree. This high standard of training means they are prepared to handle complicated deliveries and save the lives of mothers and babies in remote health centres across Ethiopia. This crucial frontline healthcare is how Catherine's vision is coming to life, by preventing fistula before it even happens, working towards the eradication of obstetric fistula in Ethiopia.
ዓለም አቀፍ ልጆች ምስጋና ማቅረብ እፈልጋለሁ። ምክንያቱም እኔ በነፃ ነው የተማርኩት። አሁን መጥቼ ብዙ አገልግሎት ለእናቶች
Please help train a Hamlin midwife this Christmas by giving a gift that will provide life-saving care to more women. You will be helping to eradicate obstetric fistula through prevention and saving countless women from a future of shame and isolation. Thank you.